installment of AA. This is your host, Addicted to Ammo. Yes, we are here at Ammo Anonymous, and we are here to help facilitate your ammo needs. And without further ado, last night, boom, 3 boxes, 22 long rifle, CCI mini mag hollow points. Apparently they get 10 boxes of the hollow points and 10 boxes of the round nose. So here we have the receipt. It was $7.47 a box. Comes out to $23.98. In my area, I get a 7% tax. So there we go. 3 boxes of CCI mini mags. It's been 2 weeks since my last ammo score video. Just because there hasn't really been anything coming in that I'm really interested in. Only these and a couple other brands or makes, I guess you could say, of 22 long rifle that I'm really interested in. The CCI Stingers were in a couple days ago, but I don't want to buy any of those. Those things, in my opinion, are junk. Just like the Federal Auto Match rounds, those things are absolute junk. But these ones here are way better. Well worth the 7.5 cents per round. Anyways, there's the ammo score for this morning. Today is the 21st of November. It's almost Thanksgiving. So happy Thanksgiving to everybody out there. And everybody have a good day.